Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 18. My name is Gaia, and we are doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we practice Yin Yoga for 30 consecutive days for our maximum benefit. Now, if you just found this video and want to do it on its own, that is perfectly fine. You will have a great yoga session. However, if you want to do this for the full 30 days, I will link everything down below. Today we are starting in reverse prayer hands. So make your way either into an easy seat or kneeling, just depends on what works best for your body because we will be staying there for a couple of minutes. And I will just turn around so that you can see better what I'm doing. So once you get into either your easy seat or kneeling position, you can bring your arms behind you into Anjali Mudra, so prayer hands. If this is perhaps a bit too intense, you can also hold yourself by the elbows and you will get a very, very similar benefit, just a lot safer for your body. If you're fine in reverse prayer hands, that is perfect. One thing I do want you to pay attention to is that your ribs are not flaring out, so that you're not doing like this and basically helping your hands meet by bringing your ribs out. Instead, see if you can bring your low ribs in and lengthen through the spine, lower the shoulders, grow through the top of your head, and we'll be here for a couple of minutes. Gently release your arms. You can shake them out a bit. Make whatever movements you need right now, or perhaps a few breaths in stillness. And then make your way onto your back into banana pose. Just lying down on our backs first, nice and straight. And then move your feet over to the bottom right edge of your mat. You can also cross the left ankle over the right if you want to intensify the stretch. Now keep your hips planted and just scoot your torso over to the right as well. Bring your arms overhead. They can be extended long or bent at the elbows. You can hold yourself by the wrist here. Choose the expression that works best for you. And if you need to adjust the intensity of the side stretch, feel free to do so before sinking into stillness for a few minutes. Deepen your breath and slowly reverse out of the pose. Bring your torso back to center. Bring your feet back to center. You can take a moment here. You can even take a stretch if that serves you right now. We're going to do the same on the other side. So whenever you're ready, just move your feet over to the bottom left of your mat. You can cross at the ankles to intensify the stretch. And then keeping your hips planted, just scoot your torso over to the left as well. The arms come up overhead and then sink into stillness and enjoy this for a few more minutes. Begin to deepen your breath, and in your own time, reverse out of the pose, recentering yourself on the mat. And then you can just make your way into Shavasana. So widening the legs and letting the feet flop to the sides. Bringing your arms down by your side with the palms facing up. And allow yourself to sink against your mat, integrating this practice and enjoying a few more minutes here in Shavasana. Begin to return your awareness back into your body, wiggling the fingers and the toes. You can also take a nice deep stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, roll onto your side first. Before using your arms to press yourself back up into a seat. Come take a seat in any way that feels best to you right now. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra and close your eyes. Now, with your eyes closed, just allow yourself to connect to the day that you've had, to the experiences you've had, perhaps even thoughts you've encountered, ideas. Just allow all of it to come to you. And as it does, ask yourself, what is one thing that you can be proud of today? What is something that you can really appreciate or be grateful for or celebrate? And just allow it to come to you. And as it does, feel those emotions wash through you. Feel them amplify. Just let yourself breathe them in silence for a few more breaths here. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me tonight, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.